Hello, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you all. Welcome back to Gospel News on As It Take the Go. In case you never follow us on our social media platforms, I beg may you do that very, very quickly. May they see the update when we carry the follow up. I'm going straight to the reason why we are here today. They say that the Biafra Liberation Army don't cut chain, give the Nigerian government, the Nigerian Air Force, and the Nigerian Army. Say any of them will be say they ready to face them. Say they have been waiting for them, but all to no avail. Say they never see anybody come to the territory to challenge them. No be small matter be this one who, according to what we saw, they say that they refused to come again since then. We are still waiting for them. Biafra, we move. This thing don't they get red hot too. They say that the Biafra Liberation Army has received heavy equipment where they take the weight the Nigerian army and with their fighter jets. Say if they come around this time, say they no go back the same way they came. It can't be like saying a church they enter. If they enter that region, Mona see and here, help me beg. Now then they are begging Nigerian Air Force. Say may they carry that their Tucano fighter jet. Say may they carry and come. Say he get waiting they won't check. Under the Tucano fighter jet too. He say if they carry and enter their region, will be Orlu, say that something go happen to them. And now this message when we don't hear, I say, the thing no even just go like that too. We still can't see one video where they do carry come out too. Can't still take the issue statement they go the general public where they are telling us as it take they go. Make I play on this video so that when I go use on our ears, take the hear from the horse's mouth. Now watch this video to hear and see.
Good evening, wonderful people of Biafra. Good evening, the lovers of freedom. Good evening to all the supporters of freedom. The Chukwu Biama bless all of you, my fellow congregants. This evening, I just want to be very brief. As you can all see that today is the last day of the phase 1, that's the first week of this sitter term. Tomorrow and next tomorrow is free day. You can go out for your businesses. Then on Monday, the phase 2 begin. I want to appreciate all of you that have kept to this sit-at-home by staying indoor. The Chukwu Biama bless you. And let me tell you that your sacrifice will never be in vain. For those of you who appreciate a man like Nnamdi Kanu, who leave his comfort zone, who leave his family for your sake, for your freedom, and then he's still being tormented in the dungeons of DSS. And you show him love by closing your shop or denying yourself businesses or pursuit of money for his sake. Believe you me, he really appreciates your effort. I want to thank you so very much on behalf of him. At the same time, I want to thank you for also is a sign of you getting prepared to be free. Because he that has for freedom must make sacrifice. For you to deny yourself businesses, he also shown that You want to be free. That is it. And for those of you who did not obey the sit at home, you still have 1 week to queue up. Otherwise, what will face you, you will not like it. The reason why I'm saying this is because some of you did not know that the land is taking record of those that are working for the favor of the land. If you love your money, if you love money past freedom, then you will die when freedom comes. You will not enjoy freedom because you cannot enjoy two things at a time. You cannot enjoy your money and want to enjoy freedom. It will never work for you. It can never work out for you. If you want to see if it can work, carry ladder, put on the plain wall, very straight. Carry two things in your hand and try to climb the ladder. If you will reach the top, you agree with me that in some extent you will fall down because you cannot hold two things in your hands and climb ladder. You cannot hold freedom and you hold love of money and you think you will reach the end. So one must prevail. It's either you enjoy your money now and nothing concern freedom concern you. You go about your normal businesses, go about your normal things doing, and then at the end, when freedom comes, death could find you out. I'm telling you, you might be wondering how will it happen. But we see then. But when you make sacrifice, when you sow, you will reap what you sow. When you sow a seed, you will reap something. If you sow plantain, if you sow yam, anything you sow, you must reap. It's called nature. If you seek for freedom, but if you just less concern, nothing bothers you, don't care, you will never enjoy when freedom comes. You will die. I don't know. That finally released me. This evening, I did not intend to be long, as I was saying, that don't say it does not concern you. We are trying to make it easy for everybody so that the injury will not be much. So when you hear an order, please simply comply with that. It is for your own good and for your own safety. Some of you did not know that sometimes when we fix this sit at home, it is when these idiotic people are planning to launch an attack. And since we doesn't want our lovely people to get wounded or get killed by flying bullet, we will order you to stay indoor. So please, it's not just about your businesses or your money. It is also about your consciousness for freedom. To always also do yourself good to stay indoor. Tomorrow will be Saturday. It's a free day. The Chukwu provide for you for these 2 days, tomorrow and next tomorrow, that will sustain you to another 1 week. Be part of the history because we are creating history. Simon Ekpa is a spiritual son of Nnamdi Kanu, the supreme leader of indigenous people of Biafra, I've been prepared, Simon Ekpa, fully for this. And all of us that are fighting this war have been called by Chukwuka Biama to restore Biafra. And we must restore Biafra. I thank every one of you this evening. And let me also use this privilege to update you of what conspired between us and the terrorist Zoo army on Monday. Believe you me, I was even thinking that their death is just 200, but the intel told me that more than 500 dead body and more than 300 plus wounded, which some of them are not even sure of fate of their life. And he was asking me, what do we use to incur so many deaths on the, to inflict so many deaths on Nigeria terrorist soldier like that? You see? And that is why still now they could not even recover their shock. Still now, they could not even. I told them that they should stop this madness so that they will stop dying. They think we were joking. We are not here to be joking. It is either you do that which is right, or you keep come here to die. The more you come to Biafra land, the more you will die. The more you come here, the more you will die. If you are among the soldier and you are being sent to come to Biafra land, write your will, because you can never make it out alive. Release Nnamdi Kanu. Set the day for Biafra referendum. Let this madness stop. You cannot win this war. Not in your millions life. Not in your million life will you win this war. I'm telling you the gospel truth. You don't know how prepared we are. You do not know how prepared we are. We are fully prepared for you. And the love we have for Biafra can never, never be negotiated. You cannot negotiate it. Nothing in this world you can give us that will make us to abandon this call for restorations of Biafra. You cannot intimidate us. You cannot make us to abandon this. Backward never, forward ever. So I'm telling you that you cannot win it. The more you come, the more you will fall. Have I not warned you? Look at the numbers of souls you have just wasted. This soul could have been with their family, but you choose to turn them to terrorists to come and intimidate the owners of the land. Now you have wasted them. Tell your children, because they are trying to recruit another fresh people who will come and die. Nigeria did not have army. We outnumbered them. They did not have army. Imagine them telling you that youth corps are reserve army, which simply means that they will use money to lure your child who went for youth service to come and fight, and then you lost that child forever. You can't win this war. I want to use this privilege to touch what all the senators and the House of Representatives in the southern Nigeria or southern regions of Nigeria have been saying in their idiotic, lordless chamber. You say that the federal government should come, the problem of Southeast concern Nigerians. You know the problem, but you are diverting your face and your attention away from it. Your law say that Nnamdi Kanu is not guilty of any charges against him. That as a matter of fact, you should release him. Do you obey that court order? It was your court in your country that said that. You did not obey. You never let him go. You keep him, you are still keeping him till today, till now. And the people of the land say, for the fact that you refuse to let him be free as your own core agree and degree, that they are now set out a very good working day, being Monday, aside for him, so that you also lost. You say no. Now they choose 2 weeks to show love. You are still saying rubbish. What when they will choose 1 month, 2 months to show love? You know what is the problem? You see, some of you are very useless and very stupid. You are leaving the problem, the source of the problem, and then you are looking for solution. But you know what to do. Release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Let him go. And then fix the day for referendum. Nobody will die. Nobody will die. Hold him. The more you hold him, the more he will drag Nigeria economy to the grave. We will bury Nigeria economy. I swear to the Almighty Chukwuka Abiyama. Never said anything. The more you owe him, the more Nigeria economy will die gradually until we finally bury it. The more you delay to declare a day for referendum, the more your soldier and everything will die gradually. But your shame and your shock is at the end. Biafra will be restored. So you will now know that you were fighting for nothing. You then will understand that you were wasting your time. By then it will be too late. I did not intended to dwell so long. So go and tell all the governors, all the House of Rep, that the solution of the problem that I'm looking for is not far from releasing Nnamdi Kanu. That is all. Release him. And then fix the day for referendum. All your problem will be solved. Nobody will die. Nobody will. But if you did not buy my idea, keep bringing them now. Look at the numbers of souls you are wasted because of your stupidity. Bring more. I've told you that the land of Biafra is your burial ground. And the land of Biafra will swallow all of you. You think I was joking? We are legion. We are legion. We are millions and millions of people you kill, in their cold blood from 1940 to date. And the spirit of Biafran warriors that you massacre or you destroy, you deceive after saying the war is over, no victory, no banquet. You invite them for merriment to continue one Nigeria, not knowing that you are going to give them mass execution. You gather all of them and you kill them. Now we be those people you gather and kill. We are back. And this time around, we go nowhere. This time around, we go nowhere. You see this war? We will kill you. We will destroy this land you call Nigeria. And every living thing will be destroyed. If you like, don't. But at the end, it is you that will die. Because this is our land and we go nowhere. I salute you, my supreme leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I salute you, the spiritual son, Mazi Simon Ekpa. I salute you, my fellow congregate. Good evening. To all of you, wonderful people of Biafra, may God guide and protect you all. Your prayer is only what we need every day and night. And for the war and the victory, the gods have already determined that we will win. And that is why they are dying. And victory belongs to us. At the end, Biafra. At the end, Biafra must be restored. From me, from the land of the rising sun, it is good evening. Thank you.
All right, my people, now don't hear the long message. And when let's say this one now be the commander of the Biafra Liberation Army, carry con give us they say no be small matter. They happen for there. Will say Nigerian army lost to a lot of soldiers when they came to attack them in their bases. Abegu, when I don't hear how the matter take the go, our own is to make sure that you are updated on how it take the go. Stay tuned to this channel as more updates dropped. Thank you.